Important story for you now, though. This morning, we're looking at where Florida ranks health-wise, as well as what we can do to improve our collective health in the new year. With us this morning is Dr. Mayrene Hernandez with United Healthcare. Dr. Hernandez, thanks for being here this morning. So let's talk about the big thing here. Where does Florida rank as far as health stats go, and how does that compare to where we've been in the past?
Will do. Good morning, and thank you for having me.
Sure.
So I have good news. Florida actually ranked 29th this year. Granted, that's actually on the lower half of our nation, but I think from a report that's actually been in existence for nearly 30 years, this is the best Florida's ever been. By comparison, we were 32nd last year, we're 29th this year, so we're moving in the right direction.
Okay, so we're moving in the right direction, and how did that happen? What has helped us improve?
So if I had to highlight the improvements. Basically, there's an improvement of about 5% percentage points on child poverty. We also ranked 12th in the nation with respect to cancer deaths. So that's an important piece, considering we don't lack the diagnosis in the state. We also have globally a lower percentage, or we're decreased 44% to violent crimes in the state.
That's great.
In addition to also, we can pride ourselves of fresh air. We're 16th in the nation for air pollution. So it's actually great news there. All
wonderful things there, but as you said, 29th is not real great, so there are some things that are still dragging us down a little bit. What are those?
Indeed, and I think overall, I think you have to look at what the report gives with respect to obesity. While obesity actually has had improvement in Florida. We actually rank 14th in the nation. Globally, obesity in itself has increased nationally by 3%. So it's actually at an all-time high. But correlating that, the irony, right, of the report is that the physical inactivity that we have in the state, considering fresh air and considering wonderful weather, we have actually, we ranked in the lowest percentile with respect to physical inactivity.
That's disappointing.
It is, indeed.
I wonder if that has something to do with the age of our people.
I think so, too.
Okay. So you've laid out some of the things we need to work on collectively as a state. How do we get higher? How do we become more healthy? So
it's interesting because we're basically at the beginning of a new year. Lots of folks are trying to do new resolutions, right? So this is the time. I think you need to start low baby steps. Do some lifestyle changes. Become a little bit more active. You don't have to join a gym, right? But you can actually gradually start walking after dinner. Wonderful weather now, especially the beginning of the winter part of Florida, if you could call that.
Yeah.
So make some just life-conscious changes overall, you know, and I think globally, if you correlate the inactivity with the obesity, it seems like we're eating a little bit better, but we can do better overall.
All right, Dr. Hernandez, thank you very much. Again, we always say this, the weather is so beautiful this time of year.
Yes.
It's as simple as maybe getting out and enjoying it a little bit more.
Will do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.